Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. I'm going to be showing you guys so far, so the new catalog has been out for a couple weeks, and I will be showing you guys the most, popular products that have been selling like crazy. Okay, so let me just show you, because I know sometimes it can be overwhelming when a new catalog comes out because you probably want everything. Or if you're a new customer, you might be saying, I don't know what to try first. Like, what are the best selling products? So let me show you. So I'm just going to flip through. I'm sorry if this just takes a second. Let me first mention, I love how this is the first page of the catalog. Well, technically page 3, but it does show you guys like everything here that we would never have in our, herbs, seasoning, spices, anything. So with Epicure, you are safe from all of this stuff. So there's low sugar, low sodium. A lot of things have no sugar, no sodium, non-GMO. It's just huge, right? And no nuts, like just so many things. So make sure to look through that, okay? Because typically when I talk to a new customer, the first thing that they kind of say is, well, why Epicure? And I say, because you know that you are getting things that are, healthy for you, nothing artificial. And you can't say that about a lot of companies. But okay, let me just flip through here, you guys. Sorry, it just seems to be a little slow, so I apologize. But hey, at least this way you can look at things that are in our new catalog, so that's kind of nice, eh? Now, the all-in collection, I think, is perfect for those who just simply don't know where to start but want a little bit of everything. Because this is literally, you will get $173 worth of products for only $138. That's pretty good, and you can try literally a little bit of everything. You can make teas, salads, soups, pastas. You can make tacos. You can make cakes. You can make all kinds of things. So this seems to be very, very popular so far. Okay, so that is a good one. And let me flip through. Now, honestly, everything in here is amazing, but I'm just kind of showing you guys the most popular things so far. So the meal solutions, the most popular one lately seems to be the Good Italian Real Fast. So this box here, so you can make 48 meals, and each person, it would technically only cost $3.85 a person. So that's amazing. So it does include all of this plus recipes, which is huge. So clearly we have a lot of those, but the Italian just seems to be selling quickly so far. Like within the past week, I think I sold like 18, so that's huge. Let me just flip through. So again, you guys, all of our products are amazing, but I'm just kind of showing you guys the best selling products so far within the past couple weeks. And don't forget our seasonal. We have a beef gravy, poultry, and a veggie. I'd say the beef one probably sells the most. It is amazing, and I've tried them all. I'd say the beef one I actually like the most too, so it is amazing. And from our packages, our gluten-free crumb mixes, the Southern Baked, I would say, seems to sell the most. So for a pack of 3 for only $15, and they even give you a recipe here, which just looks amazing. It says popcorn chicken poutine. That sounds pretty good, right? So lots of recipe ideas. The chicken broth is always a bestseller, and I'd say the faux broth as well. Those sell like crazy always. So not only in season, but it just kind of sells like crazy all the time. And our teas, which ones are the most popular? The turmeric and ginger blend, I'd say, is the most popular by far. Our second most popular, I'd say, would be the Sleeping Beauty. It's kind of a mix between the Sleeping Beauty and golden tea. They all contain 20 tea bags, which is awesome, and they range in price from $13 to $15. So not much of a difference, and they're all caffeine free except for, I believe it's the sencha and jasmine green tea blend. So that one's the only one that does contain a little bit of caffeine, but the rest of them are caffeine free. So in case that's something that you do need. And I love this the smoky roasted tomato. I put that on my salads, on my tacos, on my potatoes, on everything, and that sells huge. The broccoli bliss has been a bestseller since it came out about 3 months ago. I sell a ton of those, so that is something very, very helpful too. The everything bagel is always a bestseller. It just tastes amazing. So if you haven't tried that yet, you should. Next page. Oh yeah, the red pepper jelly is always so popular come Thanksgiving and Christmas. Amazing, amazing stuff. And you could put it on anything. Like, it tastes so good. Some people ask me if it's spicy. I would say no, but like, it does kind of have like a little kick to it, but I wouldn't say it's spicy. So that is a definite bestseller. The marinara sauce always, and the Paris Bistro finishing sauce tastes amazing. Like, you would love it. Tastes so good. Moving on here. Of course, these three are our best sellers always. The 3-onion, the lemon dilly, and the CCB taste amazing. I typically make a dip using all of them together, but you could use them for anything, and those are definitely our best sellers there. As for the dips, another bestseller is the nacho cheese. The creamy ranch and the sun-kissed tomatoes, I'd say, are pretty even. The General Tao, actually, that one came out just a couple weeks ago, and it has been selling really, really well. And I've even had a customer that purchased it, and she just ordered, it comes in a pack of 3, I believe, and she ordered like 3 more packs because she just loves it so much. So that's how you know it's good, when you have somebody order something and then they pretty much order the same thing like right away, because they want to make sure that they have enough of it. The creamy chowder is amazing. A pack of 3 for only $10. You have got to try that. It's really, really good. For our packages here, they all actually sell really, really well. But within the past couple of weeks, I'd say the mac and cheese actually sells the most. If I had to pick one, I'd say the mac and cheese. And the toasted onion, always a bestseller, because you don't have to chop or peel onions anymore. Use this. I believe it's 1 teaspoon. Sorry, is it tablespoon or teaspoon? Darn, it's so funny. I use a lot of it. I think tablespoon. 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 1 onion, I think. But I kind of want to check that out, so I could be wrong, but it does sell really, really fast. Flipping the page here, our holiday seasoning sells like hotcakes, so please make sure that if that's something that you want, to order it now, because I know it will sell out. Our beef and steak and our oven roast also sell like crazy. Let's see what else here. I'd say that those ones sell the most, like out of our herbs and spices. Oh, our turmeric and black pepper has been selling really, really well too. Like, it's a pepper with turmeric in there. So if you use pepper, you can use the turmeric at the same time for anti-inflammatory benefits. So really, really good. In fact, I bought like 2 of them right away because I knew that I would love it, and it's amazing. See, moving along here. Oh, for the popcorn seasoning, it's kind of a toss-up between the creamy dill and the maple kettle corn. Those, I'd say, sell really, really well. I hear more, I guess, good things about the maple kettle corn. I just have customers always say, like, oh my God, this tastes amazing. But the creamy dill and the maple kettle corn seem to sell the same amount. And our new sweet dips. Our cranapple cinnamon, oh my goodness, it sells so much, and that is seasonal. So if you like that, I would pick it up, because once it sells out, it's gone. And then it comes back probably next Thanksgiving, Christmas-ish, but it's amazing stuff too. Our eggnog cheesecake sells like crazy. Our pumpkin pie sweet spice sells really, really well. Our puddings, our pumpkin spice latte sells really, really fast. And our hot chocolate always sells because there's not nearly as much sugar in ours as what you can get from the store. So it is a must-have, especially if you have kids, right? It's just nice to have that. Moving on here. And it's kind of nice because you can all see other things in the catalog as I'm kind of moving through. Our cookware, I'd say our cutting boards are the best sellers actually so far. I'd say that that would top anything. And if you like to, I'd say the mandolin too, actually, that's a close second. So I'd say the mandolin because it's just nice to have one of those. I've had mine for 2 years, like it does last. Oh, and the cheese maker. Everybody loves our cheese maker. So that is always a bestseller as well. And our cookware sells really, really well too, like pretty much anything. Our steamers, you guys, always, always a bestseller because you can pop in raw broccoli, raw cauliflower in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's cooked. Amazing stuff. Our perfect petites sell, probably sell on average 2 a week. Like they sell like crazy because it's just a nice thing to have. Like if you wanted to make muffins, cakes even, and just like tinier portions. I've made banana bread in there. I've made omelets. Like it's just a nice thing to have, and it's not something that you can find anywhere else either. So that's pretty nice, right? Our collections, you know, have a look at those. I'd say all of our collections sell really, really well because they're not always offered. It depends on the catalog, so make sure to have a look. I will post the link to the catalog on the bottom, so really make sure to look for you guys. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm so happy to help, and I'll see you guys in the next one.